My name is JieLiang Yin, and here I want to introduce my cloud computing individual project to you, which is a P2P resource service cloud sharing platform. It combines both P2P file system and the media stream service so that people can share their resources directly and others could use them directly as well. The background is that nowadays we have two kinds of resource sharing platforms. One is P2P direct file sharing. If you have a resources like video, music, and you want to share it with others, you could generate a torrent link for your file, and others could download it directly from you rather than from a third-party platform. Torrent platform like BitTorrent just provides the resources link accessing to your own node rather than store the file itself. The file is downloaded directly from the owner's node. Whenever a user downloads and owns it, also becomes a file sharing node so that others could also get the resources from him. In this way, the platform doesn't need to afford bandwidth and the storage, and users could still have fast downloading speed because the more users download it, the faster the downloading speed it has. However, the shortcoming is obvious that people can just download the resources rather than use directly. Another kind of platform emerged which was called the media stream service that could let users use the resources directly without downloading. For example, you could download directly listen to the music on Spotify without downloading, and you can also directly watch the video on YouTube without downloading. It is very convenient, but you can't get the resources directly from the user's node, but from the platform itself. Platform has to afford all the storage and the bandwidth, which is very expensive. So they charge users monthly like Spotify or have many ads like YouTube. Also, the more people use it, the slower playing speed it has. So why not combine these two platforms together using cloud technology? My project is exactly the combination of P2P cloud sharing, P2P file sharing, and the media stream service platform. It has two directly. Firstly, users can share their file directly so that others can get their files directly from them and don't need to go through any third-party platform. Secondly, users could use the resources directly as service without downloading. My project is composed of two parts. One part is the website itself. The website doesn't store any file, but just provides the resource sharing list and the player framework. So resources list has the available sharing resources name, the information, and the revisiting link, accessing the resources itself from user's own node. So when you click the link, you can get the resources from user's node and uh, and play it using the website's player on the website. Users could firstly sign up and get their own file storage space like their own hard disk or their own cloud storage. Then users could upload the files on the website, but importantly, the files they upload are not go to the website itself, but go to user's own node. So all the files are stored in user's own node. The website that doesn't store any file. The website itself is built on cloud and is scalable. The database stores all the user's account information and their related storage space address, and also the access links to the files they want to share. Others provides the website framework. Files are stored in users' own nodes, and each node has a P2P server so that they could provide the file access and the sharing services to other users directly. When other users click the resource link on our website, they could get it directly from users' node rather than rather than from the website, and use it directly with our player. So let me show you a demo. This is my website, and you can see it is domain is 34.72, which is this instance. But this is the sharing file. So, but you can see that this file is from 34.121. So it is not from the website. It is from another node, which is user's own node. So here, insta1 and insta2 represents user's own node. So in this website, we can firstly sign up. For example, we can register as P2P cloud email address, and we can set up a password to create a user account. Okay, so then we can log in. Okay, after we log in successfully, the system will assign a instance for us. So which is represents users' own node that can store all the files users want to share and provide the access link to those files. So we can upload the files from the website, but the files we upload will go to users' own node rather than website. So we can choose some files to upload. For example, we can choose this music. Okay, our download is successfully. Okay, so you can see that this file is stored in 35.232, 35.232, which is stored in this node, this instance. So the files users upload will be stored on users' own node rather than the website. And when the other users click the resource link, they will get the resources from users' own node, and then they can play it with the website's own player. So if also this instance are scalable, so that if users upload too many files, they can scale up to afford that. So this is the brief introduction to my website. Thank you very much.